going this way.
Yeah, you okay? Everything okay? What? So much stuff in this stuff. Oh.
People joked because like someone radioed on the radio saying there's a tornado with a skate, and everyone thought ha ha ha, you're laughing. This is Sarah Kirsty's tent.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's mine's full of shit.
The beer.
Tip fell over that.
Uh-oh. Is that all over your tent now?
No, it's not.
Oh, phew.
I think it just evaporated.
Alright, cool. Oh my god.
Well,
Look at the sky. Look at it.
Oh, you know.
Those were coming at me. I was like, fucking hell, I'm going to
It came right out. It's like it ran out.
It's still going.
I was
Just keep
there, I was
pulling
like
stuff
ordering a
up.
drink, and then suddenly we looked up,
Yeah.
and suddenly like 3 times just blew up.
Came out 10 and like almost 10 in his legs.
Yeah.
It just flew so fast.
I'm so glad all my stuff weighs so much.
Yeah, I'm so glad I
can't
can't
get my car.
Let me have to check a little bit.
I'm just going to go pick up my smoothie. Yeah, you go.
Seems okay. Is Glastonbury?
Yeah. Right, let's do
Good, 10, that's blue.